Alright, so today I'm going to be showing you a cool math tool called Desmos. I'll show you how to get there, a little bit of what it does, and just kind of show you how to use it. First, how to get there, just going to go into your search bar, or whatever that thing is up there, and just type in Desmos.com. It's that easy. It should take you right there. And you should see a page look something like this. The main thing, this is a graphing calculator. So I'll go ahead and click on that. And right here, just to show you how it works, I'll type in something in slope-intercept form. Y equals 3x plus 4. And as you can see, it graphs it. But the cool thing is this isn't just a graphing calculator. You can also go over here, and it's got examples. We'll go ahead and open up that graph. Now, we've got, it shows the slope-intercept form and what each of the variables are, and it allows you to adjust the variables so you can see what differences it makes as you change these little slide bars. And so it's got that, and it's got the same thing for several different things as you go through. This is a bunch of different examples that you can go through and mess with and kind of get an understanding of these things as you mess around with them. Now I want to get to the home screen. Go ahead and click off of that and just click that logo in the center, take me back home. Now it's also got other kinds of calculators, graphing, scientific, four-function, matrix, and it's got test practice and geometry tool. Just to show you how something else on here works, I'll go to the scientific calculator and say you wanted to know square root of 784. Well, I just picked a random number. It just so happened to be a whole number, but as you can see, it works just like that. I mean, everybody knows how to work these. This is a really cool thing because graphing calculators are ridiculously expensive. I know the one I had was $150. And this is great for high school students because they can just have a laptop or some kind of way to access the internet, and they've got a calculator. So it's a really cool deal. And I think that about wraps it up. Thank y'all. Hope y'all learned something.